Hello guys, this is Dan and I just want to wish y'all a Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day. It's about 3:50 p.m. and it's 68 degrees outside. And Merry Christmas. Now here I have my new hive stand that I finally got set up, and I just want to show it to y'all. Now it is made out of pressure treated 2x6s, and it is 12 feet in length. It will accommodate 6 double deep 10 frame hives, and I have it sitting on ant moats. Now let me shine this down here so you can see. Now that should keep the ants out. I'm going to fill it with oil. Well, yeah, I'll put some oil in it. I don't know that I'll fill it up, but this larger bowl here, oh, let me go back down here. This larger bowl here should protect the smaller bowl from the rain and protect the oil. Because if the bowls were the same size and I had more space, more of a gap in between the bowls, the rainwater would displace the oil, and since oil is lighter than rain, the oil would float to the top and spill over the sides and create a mess. So hopefully this should keep the drowning of the bees down to a minimum also. You've heard people say to use vegetable oil. Well, vegetable oil becomes rancid, it stinks, it attracts critters. And sorry, I had some sand that got on my flip-flop. But anyway, mineral oil is clear and it drowns bees, and I think they think it's water. I don't know. But motor oil, they seem to leave that alone. It's darker and it has a different scent. So anyway, this is pretty cool. This should solve my ant problem in my remote apiary. And the main problem that I'm having with the ants, the problem is with the sugar ants and the Argentine ants and the fire ants. The cutter ants and harvester ants, I guess they're one and the same, which they're all over the place. They don't seem to bother the bees unless they're dead, then they'll haul them away. But the sugar ants, oh gosh, they're pretty bad. They decimated one of my hives before I could stop it, and I mean, they are bold, they are stout. I saw one little sugar ant pulling a larva out of a comb, a cell, and they get on the bees, and you'll hear the bees flying around in the hive and bumping into things, and yeah, it's just crazy. So anyway, I've alleviated that problem. My old moats, they made a mess. Oil was leaking. I had to clean it up. You know, it's just a pain. But this looks much better, and I think this will work a lot better. And it should protect my bees. So anyway, Merry Christmas to y'all, and have a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.